Okay, to rekey the kick cylinder for the lever commercial, it's pretty simple. It's the same ring as you can see with the deadbolt. There's a small pin here that have a spring on the net, so it's like jump. You just need to take small something sharp, just press it in. You press it and turn the ring. Press and turn the ring all the way out, and it just gonna comes out like that. This one comes out. Now there's a small spring coming out. Save it to the side, not losing anything. Okay, need to have the right key for it. To turn it, now I cannot take it out. I have to do 90 degree and keep it straight position with the follower. You can see straight. See how I'm moving it? Straight position. Keep those springs safe. Okay, pins. Take the key out. Take the old pin. Put a new key inside. Put a new pins, and that's it. Needs to be, the pins needs to be straight, smooth, not too up, not too down. Finger back inside. Press it to the cylinder. Now check if the key is good. It will turn. After you want to take it out, don't forget, put a finger in or hold it like that. Okay, really important to hold it. Just hold it, you see, keeping it, because if I take only the key like that, the whole thing will come out. Now bring it back in, put the spring back inside. Back inside. Same step we took it out. Same way we took it out. It's really important to remember how the tailpiece was. If it was straight or in an angle. So here it was straight. Pressing it and start to turn it back in. Turn it back in all the way. All the way. All the way. Okay, if you turn it too hard, you see, so this is too hard and the pin is not inside the circle of the ring. So you just go back a little bit and now it's hold it. Checking it with the key. Turn, key comes out, done.